What if I told you that one programming language powers YouTube, Instagram, Netflix, and even AI? Yep, it's Python. Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world, and for good reason. It's simple, readable, and beginner friendly, yet powerful enough for professionals. Python is used everywhere: web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and even game development. It's clean. English-like syntax mean you can focus on solving problems instead of fighting confusing code. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and Django make Python incredibly versatile and fast to work with. Whether you are a student, engineer, or someone switching careers, Python opens door to high-demand jobs and exciting projects. If you want to start coding the smart way, Python is the perfect first step. Like, subscribe, and let's code together.